Hi, I just wanted to give some feedback on the Quickbooks Time, which is a tool that I have and use regularly, either as a business or as a individual. I use it in both instances. One of the most common tools that I use when I'm working in the business is the scheduling tool. This tool that you see here. It's very easy to add shifts, and that's one of the most important things. You've got a team, and you want to track time, but before you can track time, really you need to add shifts. So this is probably one of the key features. I quite enjoy using this section. So that's one of the chief features, really. Just thought I'd go through the process of actually adding a shift for you. Just clicked it here, click that button, it's very straightforward. Title morning, and add shift. Got it. Shift published, done. So that's a very simple tool. I quite like that one. One of the next features which I use very commonly, either as a freelancer or as a manager, HR manager, is the time clock. Obviously, we've done the schedules, and then we want people to clock in. And the simplest way, it's a very simple tool here as well. Click on the time clock that appears here. And the simplest way to do it, if you're just standard work, you come in, you click clock in, and it shows up here. Clock in on the clock, and 5-6 seconds, and you can write notes about what you're doing. It makes it kind of easy. So just add your notes here, and whatever, you can clock out as well. It's very easy to clock out. Clock in, clock out is probably one of the quickest ways just to track your work. I'll clock out now quickly. Done. The next report I probably use quite a lot is the who's working. It's good to know, who's got in. You get in, it's 9:30, 9:45. You want to see who's in. You can check, see who's clocked in. Obviously, I've got all the team members' names here. You can search by team member, obviously, if you want to search in there, which is very handy. Or so you can see if Joe Bloggs is in, right in here, search their name, it comes up, they're in. But also, you can just quickly have a quick scan and see everybody who's in. All team members, and let's do all the ones that are on the clock. No one is on the clock at the moment, and all team members, just who's there, because I clocked out. Let's see what happens if I clock in. Can I do that quickly? Clock in, and then I appear as all team members and on the clock, and I clock out. So yes, it's a good way of tracking your team, who's in, who's out. Very powerful tool. I like that one. One of the things I love about this is probably the timesheet entry tool. It's very flexible. 3 ways of inputting your timesheets. You've got timesheet, the sort of classic way. This automatically is fed in from the clock in, clock out tool. So highly automated if it needs to be. Then you can add sort of extra details, notes, and everything like that. Just click on the edit time, view log, bin, sort of thing. So it's a kind of excellent tool, really. All that flexibility there, just adding notes and things. So I do really like this bit, but the fact is also you've got the more flexible, so you can just do a manual time card if that's what your organization is, the timesheets, and then this sort of time slider, which is a sort of slightly different mechanism way of entering your data. So I like the flexibility that you get here in this sort of system, really, and different ways of entering. So I really like this bit of the tool. There's nothing I don't really like about the tool, really. If there's anything which was different, the get projects and the project sort of section, I've never really used projects with timesheets, really. And generally that's sort of done separately. It's really not what it's for, I guess. It's not a problem, doesn't really hurt, but yes, maybe if there wasn't a project bit and it would make it slightly cheaper, that would probably be a better option. It's just, I'm not particularly sure that the analysis just doesn't tend to happen within the sort of timesheet system. So that's all I would say. The project analysis, sorry. I'm finished. Yep, that's it. That's everything I've got to say about it. Thank you. Goodbye.